So after we have finalized our distillation and we have our fractions, in the actual post lab is asking you for the GC analysis for your fractions 2 and 5. And this is what we're doing. We are taking our fraction 2 as well as 5, but we'll start with 2. And we're actually going to take 5 drops, place that into our vial. And just with the HPLC, we're going to take our GC solvent, and we know that it's in pentane, and we're going to fill it up to the 1 ml mark, which is outlined here. Now, prior to you actually filling with your sample, it got smeared, filling with your sample and your GC solvent, you should have labeled this. It got smeared, but you should basically label it your name in terms of your different lab partners. You also want to do the time frame of your lab, and you also want to put your TA's initials here. And very, very similar. It's actually the same thing. You want to walk over. You want to identify who you are, what sample this is, and you also want to make sure that you have your 2 and 5 noted here, sample identity 2 and 5, and you also want to make sure that your names of the team that helped you with this experiment is noted, and you want to make sure that you put your sample in the actual slot that you have signed off on. Here we have slot number 71, and I'll go down here and I'll put that for number 71. For sample or fraction number 5, you'll do the same. Have the name, the time frame, your initials, your TA initials, fill out your teammates' initials, put it in the correct slot. And this will be processed, and you will be receiving your GC analysis via Canvas.